Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make traditional wool earrings. So let's start the video. For these earrings, the first thing that you need is loops on which you will build your foundation. The next thing I have here is black wool. I am using wool because it's easy to handle, it's not slippery, and due to its thickness, it wraps around more quickly. To cover the whole earring, you have to make knots as described in the video. You can also take some help if your thread is too long. As you can see, I am helping my elder sister while she is making the jewelry. When you are done, use Elfie to fix the ends. Also apply Elfie round the whole circle to have strength. Cut extra wool with the help of scissors. Now it's time to add decorations. In this part, you can be really creative and add whatever you like. I am using ribbon flowers and gota flowers. After gluing them together, I am attaching them with my earring. using silver hemispherical beads. And that's all you have to do to make these gorgeous wool earrings. I think this can be a healthy activity to do with your siblings during lockdown. Bye till the next video. Be good and explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.